every single day, right? It's the negative aspects of Africa that are brought out there. I keep telling people, sometimes, you watch news, which I've stopped watching, because, and you find Al Jazeera, CNN, Sky, BBC. So they're talking about something that has happened in Rwanda, in South Sudan, in Ethiopia, in Somalia. My friends, sometimes even as far away as Nigeria on the other side of the continent. And then when the guy is signing off, this is John White reporting from Nairobi, Kenya. I like, so everybody now, when the thing that sticks in their mind, Nairobi, Kenya, is where Boko Haram lives and thrives. Is where there is hunger and starvation. Is where there is, I don't know, because the only is Nairobi, reporting from Nairobi, Kenya. The story is forgotten, it's just Nairobi, Kenya. So